Hey everybody, this is Lance from Theta Traders. In this quick video, I just wanted to go over the current results on the cash secured puts, credit spreads, and zero DTE for SPY and SPX strategies that we've been doing through the year. I'm doing this video on August 22nd. All Theta traders will be able to receive every recommended trade for the cash secured puts and spreads, and also the strike prices for the zero DTE strategy. You also see the spreadsheet that you'll be able to receive as well that has a running log on all the trades. So first, let's look at the cash secured put side. Over here in the graph shows every cash secured put trade that we placed this year in terms of where we sold it for a certain amount of premium, where we bought to close it. To get your profit or loss, you just subtract the premium from the buy to close price. And then to get your percent return, you're just going to take the profit and divide by the strike price. So for instance, if you got $10 in premium for a $10 strike, that'd be a 1% gain. So here, make it a little bit bigger, you can see the results of the cash secured puts. All these circles show the returns. The circles on the bottom are a sign when we're doing the wheel strategy. That's where you're taking in the 100 shares of stock and then selling covered calls, also receiving income on it. But you'll notice in this chart, there's very few that were actually assigned. Most of these trades will be getting between 1 to 2%. And most of these trades are lasting about 2 to 3 weeks in time. You do occasionally have some bigger gains near the 4%, and the 4+% are pretty much canceling out these ones that we're doing the wheel strategy on. Here's for credit spreads, and these we typically do put credit spreads at a 5 width, and you'll see most of the returns are within the 4 to 5% range. You do have an occasional losses. We do take stop losses out. We don't want to lose the full $500 in our trade. So if the trade starts to go against us, we will have the occasional loss. But you're going to see here that most of these are winners. About 84% right now in the year have been winning trades. And you can get a good long-term expected result of around 2 to 3% a month using these trades. Last but not least, here's our zero DTE for SPY and SPX. This shows each trade throughout the year, and the losses, these are 3x stop losses on the bottom, and these are the gains on the top. You can see a large majority of them are profitable. We're at 89% win rate for the year, and this is trading every single day. And you can see we're typically trying to get around 1 to 2% on our data and our trades every day. We usually tend to get in and get out relatively quickly, take those profits, and then just enjoy your day. So again, Theta traders, if you decide to join, or if you have already joined, you'll have these spreadsheets of all the data in front of you. We do go over every single trade in the Discord. So we're looking at the type of strategy we use, the current stock price, the strike prices you want to sell for a premium, looking at the delta for the approximate odds that it will go in the money. So essentially do 100 minus these and usually get the win rate. And we're actually a little bit higher than this because I do some advanced technical analysis to see which direction, which strike prices to use for a particular day. The VIX will show the approximate amount of risk in the market at the time. When the VIX is a little bit higher, we tend to get a little bit more in premiums. So when you look through it, 128 trades in zero DTE, and we're at an 89% win rate. Started with a $500 account, and then it went all the way currently to $1,113. So you over doubled your money on this in not even a year. So again, I'm Lance from Theta Traders, and if you have any questions, feel free to send a comment, and I'll talk to you guys next time.